Hi kids, guess what? This is my second time filming this. You know why? Because the first time I had more lipstick on my teeth than on my lips. And yes, I'm lispy. I went to the dentist yesterday. I have not quite adjusted yet. Sorry. Not sorry, actually. I went to the dentist and got my beautiful teeth done. So anyways, what this video is actually is that Sephora has these Sephora play boxes and you get them every month if you're subscribed. Well, I had been subscribed for quite a while and I decided to take a break for a while because I had a lot of stuff. Well, they were selling these online and I thought it would be really fun to get a whole bunch of them and just open them up at one time. Yeah, I don't want to subscribe because I have too much, but I'll buy 5 of these boxes and open them up all at one time. It makes sense. Now, this is my second time filming this, so it's kind of not as exciting as the first time. The first time, I had opened up the boxes, but I hadn't opened them up. Well, now I've opened them up, taken them out of the bags, and put them back in the boxes and stuff because we're refilming. So, these are all of our bags that we got. Ooh, neat bags. And I had used a code and got this Victor and Rolf Flower Bomb. It's a 7 ml, it's like a 1/4 ounce little bottle. It's so cute. It's like this little tiny bottle of the real one. Anyways, my mom likes this perfume, so I figured she would really like that. And then there were samples, so I got a sample. And then I got me a Versace Dylan Blue, which I've never tried this. So I like to try new perfumes, so that was all a big score for me. So let's get into these boxes yet again. Maybe we should check. Nope, no lipstick this time. That was horrible. I mean, there was literally like... And I like this lipstick. This is Hank and Henry. I usually really like it because I feel like once it's on your lips, it doesn't move. Well, it moved today. What's up with that? Okay, so I got these and I printed out the little thing saying how much they say each box is worth. Now, it has on the back where it says this is the February box and it's the H variety because not all of them are the same. So this one is the H. And I did get February's box, so... But I got different stuff. Okay. So in this box, we've got the... This is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. I have the avocado one. I haven't gotten around to trying it, but I like sleeping masks, so this is good. Wander Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I've tried these quite a few times because they come in boxes like all the time. And I don't know if they do anything, but I like using them because I like eye masks, but I don't like face masks. Yeah, go ahead. Figure that one out. This is the Stella by Stella McCartney. This is the perfume. I love this perfume. Buy this for me if anybody is watching it. I want this for Christmas. Okay, this is Clinique. And this is an eyeliner. This is the quicker liner for eyes. And I have never tried one of their... This is black. Okay, well, I've never tried any of Clinique's makeup. I know their skincare irritates my face. We'll see about that. This is the Caudalie Venosource Moisturizing Sorbet. I've used this before and I like it. And then this was the Estee Lauder Double Wear, which I'm really sad because this color is in Deep Spice. I am obviously not Deep Spice, but I would have loved to have tried it. So these are $10 boxes, and that was a value of $38. Was it a value of $38 to me? No. Was it a value of $10? Yeah. Yeah. Next. That's a big, huge box. Okay, this is what it all came in. This huge box right here. And it doesn't even say Sephora on the outside. So I got this big box and I was like, what is that? Sephora. Okay, this was July, and it's the e-box. July. I don't think I got this one. You know what's a bummer about all these boxes? They all have these extra 50 VIP points, and you can't use any of them because they're all expired. Okay. Yet again, Wander Beauty gold eye masks. I'll use them. Then we have the Prada Candy perfume sample. My mom really likes this perfume. I bought her some of this too, not that long ago. So I'll just pass this on to her. And this is the Dr. Dennis Gross. It's retinol eye serum. I'm kind of scared, but I'll try it once. Retinol really, I get the retinol burn. But I'll go sparingly, see what happens. I don't know. Okay, this is Caudalie Vino Pure Skin Perfecting Serum. Never tried it. I'll try it. Sounds good to me. This is Bite Beauty, and this is in Glace. I've had this before, and I decluttered it. I don't like the Bite Beauty lip products. I know. That's a hot take, isn't it? Okay, Korres Greek Yogurt Foaming Cream Cleanser. Probably not tomorrow, but the next day I'll be trying this because I'm working on something right now. But I'll be trying this. I'm anxious to try it. Never tried it. Really looking forward to trying that. Okay, and they say that this is a value of $60. Is that worth $60 to me? Oh, hell no. Is it worth 10? Yeah. Okay, next box. This is June. It's the F box. And I did receive June before. And you know what I got in my June box? I got Chlorine shampoo and conditioner. But this is a different one. I don't know if they're any different from each other. The Chlorine one that I just used it today, oddly enough. And you know what? It was like putting mouthwash on your hair. Not a big fan. And it wasn't the conditioner wasn't conditioning enough. I like a really thick conditioner. And it was very light. And it did not condition enough. So I don't know if I'll try that or not. We'll see. Okay, first of all, ooh, Pharmacy Green Clean. Definitely use that. Belief, the True Aqua Bomb. I will use that. Tarte Found Sealer. Will not use this. I've used this before. And plus, this is a medium sand, not my color. But I didn't like it even when it was my color. This is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I'm currently using one of these, and I really like them. I don't think they're worth the money, but whatever. I'll use it. And then this is Jouer, and it's a lip topper, a long-wear lip topper. And I just opened it when I filmed this video the first time. Maybe I should check, see if I have lipstick on my teeth. No, they're looking pretty good. There's a little bit. Why is this happening to me? Anyways, it's a very glittery lip topper. Very glittery. I don't know about this. I'll have to think about whether or not I even want to open it. I might just want to pass it on to somebody else. Just saying, not my thing. And they're saying that this has a value of $27. Is that worth $27? Oh, hell no. Is it worth $10? Yeah, it's worth $10. Okay. Box number 4. It is August and it is the B box. So first of all, we have the Algenist Genius Sleeping Collagen. Oh yeah, I'll use that. This was the Biossance Squalene and Omega Repair Cream. It's a skin moisture barrier. I've never tried it, but I will definitely try it. Sunday Riley A+ High Dose Retinoid Serum. I'm nervous, but I'll try it. This I'm probably going to pass on. This is the Moroccan oil treatment. I'm struggling with a bottle this size right now. It's just not a product that I use. And is it a bad product? Probably not. It's just something that I just don't use it. Okay, next was the Laura Mercier Caviar Volume Panoramic Mascara. I look forward to trying this. I look forward to trying all mascaras. And then this is the NARS Velvet Lip. The NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil. I was very much looking forward to trying this. The formula and stuff. But this is brown. I mean, this is straight up brown. Look at that. It's not a color that I am going to use. So very sad. Trying to think. I just don't think that it's something I can use. Okay, and they said that is a value of $64 freaking dollars. I don't think so. I don't think so. $10. Yeah. $10. Yeah, I guess $10 is okay for that. I mean, actually. Oh, it's sealed. Okay, I was gonna say the lid was coming off. But okay, we got a couple of skin things and a mascara. So yeah, $10, okay. Brown. Okay, last box. This is June, and it's the A variety. I think June was the last month that I got as a subscription. So let's see what we have. Because I got the June box. I could tell by the insert that's in here. I got this. So this is the Sephora, it's hyaluronic acid, hydrate and glow. I don't know how I feel about that. This is the Laneige Sleeping Mask in Vanilla. I haven't tried this one. I've only ever tried the original, so that'll be interesting. And I will use it. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Berry Air Cream. I've never had luck with First Aid Beauty, so I'll try it because it's a little sample, but like I said, I've never had any luck with First Aid Beauty. Then we have the Briogeo Be Gentle, Be Kind. This is the Matcha and Apple Replenishing Shampoo and the Kale and Apple Replenishing Conditioner. I've never tried this before, but I will definitely try it. I like trying shampoos and conditioners. Then I have an itty bitty tiny Tarte Quench Hydrating Primer. I think I've tried this before and didn't like it, but I think there's so little in here. I'm trying to see if it actually has a weight, and it feels like so little that maybe they can't even weigh it because it feels like an empty container. It feels literally like an empty container. Okay, and then the last product in that box comes with a little story. This is the Milk Makeup Kush Mascara. I've never tried this before. I will try it because I'm always looking for like good mascaras. Would I ever buy this? No. Now, if you have a product that just happens to have hemp seed oil in it, or, you know, some kind of like marijuana type thing in it, but it just happens to have it in there, fine, I'll purchase it. But if you're specifically marketing this as a marijuana product, I'm not going to purchase it. I've grown up and out of that. I'm just, it's not my thing. If you're young and you're still doing that, you know, good on you, but I'm just past that point in my life. But I'll try it. I'll use it. It's something I already own, so I'm not going to throw it away because of that. They say that box is worth $22. Is it worth $22 to me? No. But I would have thought it would have been worth more than that, to be honest. But whatever. So, my total was $50. Do I think I got $50 worth of products? Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'm real happy with that. My tax was $4.15. And so that makes my total $54.15. So, I am trying to use more than I spend, believe it or not. So, my previous balance was that I had used up $625.18 more than I had spent. So, now my new year-to-date is that I have used up $571.03 more than I have spent. You know, I think that's pretty darn good. I do have another order from Sephora coming in, and I have another order from Haute Look coming in. And I have an Ipsy Glam Bag Plus coming in. But I think that's it. Yeah. I mean, it's definitely not $500 worth. But, you know, I still have stuff coming in. But, you know, that may be the end of it for the year. And then I'll have another empties. So, I think we're doing really well. I have a problem with sales. I really want to buy things when they're on sale. If you have that problem, leave comment in the comment section about what it is that you have problems with. Is it sales? Is it coupons? Is it new releases? Is it clearance? What is it that you have problems with buying? I have problems when it's on my loves list, I kind of want to try it, and then it goes on sale. It's like, oh, seriously? So anyways, if you want to follow me for the rest of the year while I total up everything that I have used, everything that I've spent, I'm going to be doing a year-long, I'm going to do another empties, and then I'm going to do a video where I show all the makeup products that I've used for the year, just makeup. And then I'm finishing up a couple of project pans. So if you're interested in all that, hit subscribe. If you like this video, hit like, and I'll see you next time. Bye!